Welcome to HomePantry, where today we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience. We're talking about the Hawkins Aluminium 3.5-liter Hevibase Pressure Cooker, specifically the induction inner lid model, IH35. If you're tired of spending hours in the kitchen, constantly monitoring your meals, or dealing with unevenly cooked food, then stick around because this cooker might just be the solution you've been searching for. Let's start by talking about capacity and who this cooker is for. Hawkins claims this 3.5-liter cooker is ideal for a family of 4 or 5 people. Now, in my experience, 3.5 liters is a sweet spot. It's large enough to comfortably cook a main course for a medium-sized family, perhaps some rice and dal, or a hearty stew. It's not so big that it becomes unwieldy for smaller portions, and it's certainly not too small for those family dinners. So, yes, for a typical family of 4 or 5, the capacity seems very well judged. Now, let's get to the heart of what makes this Hawkins cooker stand out: its Hevibase. This isn't just a fancy name, it refers to the incredibly substantial, double-thick base. We're talking about a base that's a full 6.35 mm thick. Why is this so important? Well, a thicker base has several crucial advantages. Firstly, it stays flat. This is absolutely paramount, especially for modern cooktops like induction. A warped base will have poor contact, leading to inefficient heating and uneven cooking. Hawkins has engineered this base to prevent that warping, ensuring consistent contact with your heat source. Secondly, and perhaps even more significantly, this thick base heats evenly. Forget those hotspots that burn your food in one area while leaving it undercooked in another. The Hevibase distributes heat across the entire bottom surface of the cooker, leading to consistently cooked food, from the first bite to the last. The material also plays a key role. The base is hard-anodised. This treatment not only makes the base more durable and scratch-resistant but also significantly improves its heat absorption capabilities. Anodized aluminium absorbs heat more effectively, which translates directly into faster cooking times. So, you're not just saving time by pressure cooking, you're also benefiting from the enhanced heating efficiency of this specialized base. One of the most versatile features of this particular model, the IH35, is its compatibility. Hawkins explicitly states it works on gas, induction, electric, ceramic, and halogen cooktops. This is a huge plus for home cooks who might have different types of stoves or are considering upgrading their kitchen appliances. It offers incredible flexibility. Whether you're using a traditional gas burner or a sleek induction hob, this cooker is designed to perform. This universal compatibility reduces the need for specialized cookware and makes it a practical choice for a wide range of kitchens. Another feature that Hawkins highlights is the improved pressure regulator. They claim it saves more fuel. In the world of pressure cooking, efficiency is key, and a well-designed regulator plays a vital role in this. By maintaining a stable and efficient pressure within the cooker, it means your food cooks faster and requires less energy overall. Over time, this can translate into noticeable savings on your utility bills, which is always a welcome benefit. It also contributes to a more consistent cooking pressure, which is essential for predictable results. So, let's summarize the pros and cons. On the pro side, the 3.5-liter capacity is excellent for families of 4 to 5. The double-thick, 6.35 mm Hevibase is a game-changer, offering superior heat distribution, preventing warping, and ensuring even cooking. The hard-anodized base boosts heat absorption for faster cooking. The universal compatibility with gas, induction, electric, ceramic, and halogen cooktops is a major convenience. And the improved pressure regulator contributes to fuel efficiency and consistent cooking. Now, for the cons. Aluminium, while lightweight and a good conductor of heat, can be prone to staining over time, especially if not cared for properly. While the hard anodization helps, it's still something to be aware of. Also, while the inner lid design is common and functional, some users might prefer an outer lid for certain types of cooking or to avoid the direct heat exposure to the lid gasket. Finally, at 3.5 liters, it might be on the smaller side for very large families or those who frequently cook in bulk. But for its intended audience, this size is generally ideal. In conclusion, the Hawkins Aluminium 3.5-liter Hevibase Pressure Cooker, model IH35, is a robust and highly functional kitchen appliance. Its innovative Hevibase design addresses common pressure cooker frustrations like uneven cooking and warping, while its broad cooktop compatibility makes it a versatile choice. For families looking for an efficient, durable, and reliable pressure cooker that delivers consistent results across various cooking platforms, this Hawkins model is definitely worth serious consideration. Link in the description.